Hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So today I'm going to show you guys probably the best accessory that I have purchased for my Canon M50. Now here I am, I'm in my church sanctuary right now. For those of you guys who don't know, I'm a youth pastor, but I'm also the video guy here, so I handle all the video work. So we have been in this weird time right now to where I've been doing lots of videos for our church because that's the only way we're gathering and having church. So I've been putting my Canon M50 to the test and using it on a really frequent basis. And so one of the accessories that I have used during this time has been this bad boy right here. This is an unlimited battery for the Canon M50. Now I'm going to show you guys how it works. Now also, in case you do want this, I'll have a link in the description down below where you can buy this. But all this does is it's a really lightweight battery. It's empty. It's not like a heavy battery like you would normally have on your Canon M50. But as you see here on the ends, hopefully it focuses in. There's the connectors that are talk to the M50 or put into the M50. And then on the other end, you'll see that hole there, and that's where you would hook up a power cable. Right here on the floor, I've got just an outlet, and it's plugged into this AC adapter here. And then on the other end is where you would then plug this in to that hole that's in this empty battery. You put that in your M50, and you never run out of batteries. It's running on a constant power source, so you can film for as long as you want, or if you're doing, like in my case, I'm doing a half an hour sermon from our pastor, so it records for 30 minutes and no problem. Never have to worry about running out of batteries or anything. So this right here has been the best accessory that I have bought for my camera because batteries are expensive and they wear out over time, and I never have to do it if I'm in this particular setting where my camera's stationary and I need to record for a long period of time. So that's today's little tip video on the best accessory. So if you guys want this, click that link down below and get it. I think it'll help you in the long run whenever you're recording long periods of time instead of switching out batteries constantly. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I do tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. So until then, get out there when it's safe and be creative.